Hello, dear YouTube partner. I'm the owner of the Update. It's a YouTube channel which is called the Update. Recently, I applied for monetization. It was the second time, and you said I have to use the content. The content that on my YouTube, on my channel, there are two videos. One is my own interview because I'm a journalist. I analyze show busy. If you told me to show you the link of the Update channel. This is the link of my URL. So here it is, the link of the channel. You gonna check where you gonna check that even the clothes I wore on that interview, it's the same. I was the one who was talking. It's my own interview. I was analyzing some issue of showbiz here in Nyarwanda and showbiz. The first video, it is my own interview that is uploaded on the channel, the Update. The second content is my own. Yes, you told me also to show you how I edit my video. This is the Adobe Premiere. I put the video, I edit, and I make it clear. So, and I export it or I encode it. You can say to encode or to export the video, and I upload it to my channel. So please give me the chance to be monetized. Documented. It's my narration. My channel is aimed to entertain, inform, and educate. That video that is on that channel, I record a voice and I put the photo of that narration to inform people about what was going there in DRC between M23 and the labels and the FRDC, the state soldiers. So I was informing people what's going there. It's my own because I do documentary on television. I am journalist on television. So that's my own documentary. No other YouTube that has been uploaded my interview and my documentary. I have two content on my channel. I didn't delete nothing. I did nothing. So please, you said me to say what I upload. I upload the interview and I upload those narrations, documentaries. Please, the Update, I need monetization so as I can keep informing the people and what I invest in taking those interviews, searching that news, because the interview, I search for a cameraman, I search for someone to edit my interview so I can air a full packaged interview. Please, I beg you, give me monetization. The Update, I didn't upload the content of others because I'm a journalist. I know copyright in some cases are even illegal. They are illegal and you can go to court. I can't take the people's content because I'm the content producer. So I'm the owner of the Update. I beg for monetization. I thank you very much.